I am Lyra, warrior of the Frost Clan. For years I've trained, fought, and bled for my people. The elders have spoken. To become queen, I must journey across the great tundra and return with the heart of the Frost Bear. As I prepare for my quest, doubt creeps in. Am I truly ready for this challenge? But I push these thoughts aside. I must be strong. The journey begins. My loyal steed and I set out as the first light of dawn breaks over the icy horizon. The journey is treacherous. Icy winds cut like knives and the endless white threatens to swallow me whole. But I press on, my horse carrying me through blizzards and over frozen rivers. Days blend into nights. The aurora dances above, guiding my path. Food becomes scarce. I hunt what I can, but the tundra is unforgiving. Each meal is a battle won. At last I spot it. The frost bear, massive and ancient, its breath steaming in the frigid air. For a moment I'm struck by its majesty. Is this truly what I came to destroy? But there's no turning back now. The battle is fierce. Claws against steel. Raw power against skill and determination. In the end, I stand victorious, the bear's heart in my hand still warm with life. As I make the long journey home, I ponder, is this truly the measure of a leader? The weight of the heart feels heavier with each step. The tundra, once an obstacle, now seems to mourn with me. Each step is a reminder of the life I've taken. I return to my village, hailed as a hero. The crown is placed upon my head, but I feel the weight of more than just metal. Now, as queen, I understand. True strength lies not in conquest, but in wisdom, compassion, and the ability to protect. I vow to rule not with force, but with understanding. To protect not just my people, but the land and creatures that sustain us. My journey has only just begun, and I will ensure it was not in vain.